Hi, my name is John Ross. I'm with the group Heidelberger, and this is my demonstration of memoranda, or as now we like to call it, route tech. The first thing I'll do is I'll go ahead and hit Gradle Run and let this start up. And as it starts up, we should be able to see the new splash screen come up. As you can see there with the route tech logo and the new logo that Ryan created. Next thing we have is we have a user's guide, which is located right here and changed to match the route tech information. If you click on route tech website or report a bug, both will take you to the Facebook page for the route tech, which can be seen right here. Not much to it, but it's a work in progress. Next thing we have is if you go into the About menu, now you'll notice that the actual route tech About menu is displayed, replaces all the stuff that was there for memoranda, and adds in all of our development information, adds in the new version and build number that was placed in there that's placed into the file automatically on build thanks to Leo. Next thing we have is, as you can see, another update is that the icons are now in English instead of being in random languages. Gwen went through and checked everything and started translating a bunch of stuff from Spanish back to English and had some issues, so we ended up just gutting out the localization and disabled it for now, and we'll look at putting that back in place here after a while. But for now, everything in the program is in English. So the next thing we did is in the file menu we have the preferences wasn't working before, so now as you can see, preferences come up. We also deleted the look and feel section from the window, and looks good to go. As you can see, all the tabs on that work now. And let's get out of it. One of the issues we ran into was the fact that Dave was working on the driver's tab, ran into a lot of issues on it, and to put out a working product, we ended up scrapping that for this sprint, and we'll bring it back in the next, and we'll divvy it out a little bit better. So the next thing we have is minimize button wasn't working correctly. So now, as you can see, minimize button is working correctly. And last but not least, the X button was just closing the window but not closing the program. So the next thing we did was actually made the X button work, and as you can see, it brings up the exit menu. You can choose to cancel, okay, or do not ask again, the same as, and you can also get the same thing by clicking the exit button under the file menu. Once it comes up, if you click it, you can click OK, and it'll close out the program. Alright, so I believe that is it for the changes that we made this week and gives us a working product.